to Chloe's class. Oops. Welcome back to Chloe's class again. Today we will be doing a guacamole. So you will need 1 lime, cilantro, garlic powder, but if you don't have any, you don't need that. Avocado and tomato. So let's start. So first, get your avocado, then you're going to chop it. And now we're going to chop the tomato. And now we have our avocado and tomato. We will put them together. Now we're going to put the avocado. Let's scoop it out. Now this one has been empty. Let's do the other one. Now this one's empty. Let's put the garlic powder. Now we're done with the garlic powder. Now we're going to mash it. Almost done smashing. One more smash. And done. Then we're going to squeeze the lime. This will be super sour, but it will be super healthy for our body. Almost done squeezing. Time to mix. Looks so good already. Then we're going to put tomato. Now let's mix it again. Now we're going to put our cilantro. Then we're going to mix it again. Now we're going to put this inside the bowl. Get your chips. Then pour it. Let's spread it. Last but not least, we will put our last cilantro. Put it on top. And this is what it will look like. And now it's taste testing time. Get one chip, then dip it into our guacamole. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.